create your VR courseware of object observation using VR Mysticraft. Check out the finished work first. In this VR courseware, students will observe the body structure of paramecium closely in the magnified scene. It provides a magnificent experience with VR glasses as students can observe from different angles. Now, let's start to create the VR courseware for paramecium observation using VR Mysticraft. Choose and edit a suitable scene, then save and rename the VR work in your user space. Search Paramecium in the resource library. Drag and drop it in the scene several times to create a group of parameciums. Make sure the camera is at the best position to observe paramecium by dragging the camera and entering coordinates for fine-tuning. Adjust the position coordinates of paramecium to optimize the overall layout. Rename parameciums to facilitate later operations. Select appropriate audio clips from the resource library. You can also upload your resources. Drag and drop all paramecium to the logic axis. Design how they enter the scene. Then, create actions to make parameciums vivid. You can copy those settings and reuse them for other parameciums to simplify the editing process. Import interface template for pellicle. Edit the text and its interface as needed. Then, rename it. Repeat the operations to create tag for other parts of the paramecium. Now, we add the text box to the logic axis. Use the trigger condition behavior setting. Then, create a switch as open. Create a new storyline in the logic axis. Create another switch in behavior setting as close and use it in the new storyline. Repeat these operations on the other parts of the paramecium. Add interface data as open interface or closed interface according to the trigger to show or hide a given interface. Repeat operations for other parts of paramecium. Edit the text and style of the front text to create introductions for the courseware. Add a center trigger for the paramecium and repeat the operation on other parts of the paramecium. Create another storyline and add a new switch as observed in behavior setting. Add an observed lens to give a close-up look for the paramecium by dragging it from the library. Set a 0.5 second delay time to improve the viewing experience. Create a new storyline and a new switch as unlock in the behavior setting. Use the switch and lock in the control panel to keep other parameciums static when we are observing one. Repeat these operations on other parameciums to make the whole scene visible. Preview your work to see if everything is perfect. VR Mysticraft. Create and apply. Immerse and experience.